What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting together another Peaky Blinders inspired look. This one is from a viewer request, actually, for a pinstriped look inspired by the awesome character on the show, Michael Gray. As always, now we're going to start by breaking down the look and comparing it to the items I was able to find. And just like the last video we did on this topic, I'm using the Happy Gentleman site, which has a lot of options for fans in the show to recreate various looks by offering everything you need in one place, so you don't have to have a hard time finding things or ordering from a bunch of different places, paying all that shipping, waiting a bunch. It just eliminates all of that annoyance. But looking back to our inspiration today, we first gotta look at the suit, the main course, if you will. It's a blue pinstripe suit. It's very classy looking, super sharp, and I was able to find one very similar on the Happy Gentleman site. I don't think it's as dark blue as our inspiration, but I think it still works. And while pinstripes aren't usually my thing, I was glad to give this one a go based on the viewer recommendation, because it was a little bit of a different look than what we've done in the past. Next, we have the shirt, though, and this one I was a bit on the fence about. I'll be honest, I was a bit on the fence about it. My gut was telling me to go with just a standard white shirt. The one in this photo, though, is not a standard white shirt. If you look closely, it's actually a two-tone shirt with what's likely a removable collar. After much deliberation, though, really thinking about it, I decided I'd just live dangerously and go with this two-toned one from the Happy Gentleman site. It's checkered, it's not striped, I know, but it was the only option that I could find in this case that just even looked similar. But I think it still works, especially when we pair it with the red tie here, which again, I couldn't find an exact tie either on the site or in my personal collection, but I did find this maroon slash dark red tie, whatever you want to call it there, and I got this one for the color and the fact that it's knitted. I liked the knitted pattern because of the texture of it. I thought it would just look good with the entire outfit here. Again, this is an inspired look. It's not meant to be exact, so we can pretty much go with what we feel. In other words, we can just pretty much go with what we feel. Alright, so I have to be honest, I actually enjoyed this a lot more than I thought I would. Pinstripes are just not usually my thing. I haven't really enjoyed them much in the past, but I did enjoy looking through this one here. I enjoyed putting together this look for you guys, and if you want to see more about these suits or my opinions on quality and things like that, check out the previous video I made where I talk about all of that, about the thickness of the fabric and things like that. And if you want to recreate this look, or maybe you have one that you want to see recreated, throw it in the comment section first of all, but if you want to just tackle it yourself, you can head on over to the Happy Gentleman site. You can find links to every item I showed here and more at their store, which everything is linked once again to be super easy to find. Be on the lookout too for the next video. I'm very excited. This one's probably going to be my favorite one that we do. We're going to take on Alfie Solomon, so I'm really excited about that. And if you have any more suggestions, once again, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll see about working those out for you in a future episode. Lastly, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that. Make sure you hit the like button for me too. That's a big help. Thank you so much in advance for doing that. And as usual, take it easy. I'll see you next time.